grapes and blind. Coffee drip and I don't mind. Phones on silent, no one texts. Feels like peace, no side effects. Loose sauce, playlist on cue. Dancing with shadows in my living room. Bills unpaid, dishes stacked, but I still laugh. How weird is